2024 has been an incredible year for Holobna, packed with exciting updates, new talents, and unforgettable moments that have kept fans on the edge of their seats. The year kicked off with a bang as Holobna announced the debut of several new members, each bringing their own unique flair to the group. These fresh faces quickly captured the hearts of fans, with their introduction streams breaking viewership records and setting the tone for what would be a year of non-stop entertainment. The community's growth has been nothing short of phenomenal, proving once again why Holobna remains a powerhouse in the VTuber world. Music took center stage this year, with Holobna releasing a slew of original tracks and breathtaking covers. One of the standout releases was the group's latest single, which soared to the top of streaming charts within hours of its debut. The accompanying music video was a visual masterpiece, featuring stunning animation and choreography that left fans in awe. Live performances were another highlight, with Holobna hosting both virtual and in-person concerts that sold out in record time. The energy and passion of these events were palpable, creating unforgettable experiences for fans around the globe. Collaborations were a major theme in 2024, as Holobna members joined forces with other VTubers, gaming personalities, and even mainstream artists. These partnerships resulted in some of the most entertaining and unexpected content of the year. From epic gaming collabs to heartwarming singing duets, each collaboration brought something new and exciting to the table. Special shout-out goes to the charity streams, where Holobna talents raised impressive sums for various causes, showcasing the positive impact the VTuber community can have on the world. The year wasn't without its emotional moments, as fans had to say goodbye to a few beloved members who graduated from the group. While these departures were bittersweet, the outpouring of love and support from the community was truly touching. On a brighter note, surprise returns and guest appearances brought waves of joy, reminding everyone of the strong bonds within Holobna. The resilience and dedication of both the talents and their fans have been a testament to the unbreakable spirit of this community. As we look to the future, the excitement only continues to build. Rumors of new projects, potential 3D live events, and even international expansions have fans buzzing with anticipation. If 2024 is any indication, Holobna is poised to reach even greater heights in the coming year. Whether you've been a fan since day one or are just discovering the magic of Holobna now, one thing is clear: this group is redefining entertainment in the digital age. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come.